This morning, my wife wakes me up and says, "Hey, I heard you guys didn't make a video last night." I said, "Yeah." Well, guess what? She says, "You're making the video this morning. You're cooking Sunday dinner." So here I am. I'm cooking Sunday dinner today. Hi, by the way, I'm Pasta Fazool, Andy from Pasta Fazool, and welcome to my show. Today we're making some nice tomato sauce with some baby back ribs and some sausage. So stick around because it's gonna be good. I figured if I gotta do it my way, I'm gonna do it my way. See you a little bit. Hey, welcome back. Now that I have my armor on, first thing we do, we're gonna put some fresh extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna saute these baby back ribs, throw in some sausage. Let's chop these up. Saute these a little bit, a few minutes. Once it's done, I'll show you what's next. This is sauteing the ribs and the sausage. Give it a few minutes until nice and done. We're going to start making the tomato sauce. You use any kind of tomato sauce that you like. I like using, of course, San Marzano tomatoes. One of my favorites. If I'm not using our own tomato jars that we make, which I'm going to make a video, I say about a few months from now, I'll be showing you that. I'll put a few pieces of garlic in there. And a little bit of water. We'll grind this out a little bit. Okay, now that we have the meats, I say about halfway cooked, we're going to add the tomato sauce. So we just grind it up, and we're gonna bring it to a boil. And we're gonna cook it for say about an hour, 15 minutes. Put in a little bit of the tomato paste, very important. It gives it more like a body, like the color and the taste actually. Okay. And a few pieces of fresh basil. My favorite herb. Basilico. Alright, so we're going to bring this to a boil. And I'll see you back in a bit. Okay, so we're up to a boil now. Let me show you. So it's boiling now. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn this down. We're going to make it simmer for about, let's say about an hour and 15 minutes. And meanwhile, I'm going to show you guys how to make some fresh pasta. We're going to make some nice tagliatelle. Tagliatelle, it's almost like a fettuccine. But since I'm cooking today, Sunday dinner, I'm going to make some fresh tagliatelle. So I'll see you guys a little bit. Okay, and make sure you keep stirring the tomato sauce every once in a while. Make sure it doesn't stick. See it drying up. You can see this is perfect. You see it drying up. You can always add a little bit more water, but for now, it's perfect. You know what? This sauce, it's almost done. When you start seeing the meat falling off the bone, that's almost done. And let's take a look at the sauce. It looks like it's done. I'm just going to give it a little taste now. Oh, look at that. You see the bone. You got to taste it. Give it a little bit of taste now. And make sure it's good with salt. Put a couple of pinches of salt in there. Don't forget the salt, 1 and 2. Start with 2 first. And taste it again. Make sure you don't make it too salty. Guys, be right back because we're gonna make. You know what? I'm gonna have the little lady upstairs make the pasta. That's how easy this is gonna be. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this pasta, so stick around. Okay, now is the best part. I love making fresh pasta, by the way. It's just one of my favorite things to do. Before we do anything, put some water to boil, and you know what? I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to make this pasta, okay? I'm not going to make it, I'm going to have the girls over here make it for me. And of course, my wife knows how to make it, and my daughter is going to come here and show us how to do it. Come on over here, ladies. Okay, it's my daughter Barbara, wife. Okay, and go right ahead. While you guys are doing that, I'm just going to help myself with a nice glass of Dino, baby. Go ahead.
Okay, so we need 3 cups of flour.
3 cups.
Very good. Okay. And then we need a little pinch of salt. Okay. A little pinch of pepper.
Of course, if you don't want the pepper in there, you don't have to put it, but you have to put a little
bit oil.
Sorry, a little bit of olive oil. Okay. And then what?
And we put 3 eggs.
3 eggs, okay.
3 whole eggs inside? Okay.
Okay, 1.
Okay. Okay, wonderful.
Okay.
Now I take over.
Very good.
Okay. Remember now, when we're making pasta, there's no exact measurement for it. So start with 3 eggs, and if you need an extra egg, you can put an extra egg, you put a little bit of water inside. Let's see how it comes out. We're trying to make a firm dough for the pasta, because the firmer it is, the better it works in the machine. Put some water in there until it becomes like almost like a dough, but you don't really want a dough. You want like a little pieces, because the dough, we're going to make it over here. We're just going to put it together, and we'll show you how it is. And here it goes. And there it is. It's almost like a dough, but it's not. Okay, let me show you. Okay, look at that. See? What we're going to do now, take this off, and put it here, and we're going to work it with the hands. Put it together. Go ahead. Take this out of the way. Okay. Put a little more flour so it won't stick to the flour.
A little bit flour over here.
Just a little bit. Yeah, everywhere. Okay. There you go. Nice. The pasta. Okay. See?
You make it like a dough for pie.
Okay. What we do now, leave it here. We're going to cut it in like 5-6 pieces. We're going to get the machine, and we're going to start making this beautiful fettuccine. So, okay, and we're back. We got the machine going. The ladies over here are going to show us how to make the final step of the pasta.
Okay,
Go
let's
for
get
it.
this piece, put in the flour, and we
Okay.
flat a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Then you put a bit,
Okay.
and you round. It's easy. Let's do that first.
To last.
And again, do it one more time. Let's do one more
And
time.
you know when I got to change it to
Then we change it to
the next step down?
1 and 2.
Okay, so that's
Like
Easy. Oh, look how nice.
nice. Okay,
this.
put over there.
Nice.
That's one piece, nice and thin. Yeah, it's about the size of the, as thin as the fettuccine, right?
Mhm.
Right.
Nice.
Next.
Alright, then we put the flour again.
Okay.
Like that.
This is what I do at the pizza parlor. When you have the number 3, I like to do like a little loop.
Again?
Right.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep
Oh,
going.
keeps popping out.
Keep coming out. Okay.
Okay.
Stop right there.
Okay.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like this, right? I'm gonna break it up. Okay. And I'm gonna just let it go. And go ahead. Keep going. Go ahead. And just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now you stop a little bit, right?
Cool.
Stop right there. Okay, we cut it again. Go ahead. Keep going. Okay. We have another one. Nice and long. See?
Very long.
Cool.
So.
There.
And we have 2 now. Okay, and now, come on, continue. Meanwhile, I like to
Maybe like that.
make them all the same size. We're having fun here! Pasta Fazool! Just wait till you guys taste that sauce. Nice. Wow. That's more nice. Okay, good. Now we're actually going to make the fettuccine, right? Let's put it on this side over here now. Okay. And move this over. Let's get a plate. Okay, put a little more flour here. And we're just going to throw it through this. And look at that. Yeah, you got fettuccine. See? There's fettuccine. Okay. Bing. Right ahead. Keep going. Woohoo! I'm just going to drink my wine.
Okay.
Put it this way.
Look at that. Keep going. Meanwhile, let's put this thing back on, make it this thing get nice and
That's it.
wonderful. Thank you, ladies. Thank you for showing me how to make this pasta today. We had a lot of fun. What do you think?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
I'm hungry.
So you guys are waiting for the
I
pig.
can't wait.
You can't wait?
No.
Can't wait. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a glass of wine now.
I'm not sure wine you're gonna drink.
Oh no, this is not. Yeah, well, this is just this. Have some.
Too much for you.
All right.
Hey, where's mine?
You're just a little kitty. Okay. All right. A little bit of wine for
Just
me.
a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's
Good.
good. No more.
All right. To the pasta, to the fettuccine or tagliatelle.
Pasta Fazool.
Pasta Fazool. Okay, so come right back because now we're gonna cook them up and we're gonna have some. Hey. Ooh, Mamma mia, I'm sweating down here. See a little bit. Just cook them up, right? Throw
Yeah,
some,
that's it.
wow, look, the water's boiling. We're throwing some pasta in now. Okay. Okay. Right. Yes. Put that away. That's done. Cook them up. I say about.
How do you know when it's finished? You don't throw
Wait.
it against the wall.
And wait to see if it sticks on the wall. That's an old tale. No. I say about 3 minutes because since it's fresh pasta, all right, it's gonna take about 3 minutes, and then after you see it flowing on the water, okay, we're gonna let it cook for about another minute and a half. So I'm gonna throw some salt in here, right? Always salt your water, okay, to give taste to the pasta. You don't need to put any olive oil in the pasta because it's not gonna stick. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
It's already almost done. Look at that.
Yummy.
Ooh, mamma mia. And then of course, this beautiful tomato sauce over here that I'm gonna put on. Yeah, I'm gonna stir it a little bit. It's beautiful. So,
I didn't do it.
you guys are good.
It was the video.
Not me.
Listen, young lady, if you like some wine, just ask for it, you know. Taking my wine over here. What's the matter with you? Mannaggia la miseria. Okay, so, we're almost done. I'll close this up a little bit. And, I see your kitties in a little bit, alright? Because we're just gonna, the best part is coming right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. See how the pasta, it's all flowing? How do I know it's cooked? Most of the times I just grab a few of them and I go like this. If it breaks under my fingers very easily, they're done. This pasta is done. I'm just shutting it off now. And I'm just gonna put this all this pasta. Mamma mia, che bello.
Bellissima.
Bellissimo.
Bellissima da mangiare.
Hey, you guys speak Italian too, huh?
Certamente.
Si parla italiano? Questa è la pasta fresca. Tagliatelle fresche. Oggi è un giorno speciale. Perché si parla di tagliatelle.
Si mangia la pasta fresca.
This beautiful sauce we made before with the baby back ribs and that sausage. There it is. Okay. I'll throw some on top of the There it is. Che bello. Beh, ma così è più facile, ci capite? A little easier this way. Okay. we're gonna put a little bit of this beautiful sauce on it. Of course, I'm gonna put a couple of these beautiful babies over here, baby back ribs. 1, 2. Parmigiana, pecorino. Put a little parmigiana. Wait. Parmigiano Reggiano. Okay, that's it. So who's gonna have the honors first? That one? Okay, go for it.
Try.
Looks good. Before it disappears again. How is it good? Wow, they look great. They look great. Fantastic.
That's good.
Yeah. Wow.
Buenísimo. Buenísimo.
Very good. Wow.
I love it. So good.
This is
Wow.
delicious.
This came out fantastic. Hey, I had a great time with you guys. You guys did a great job.
Oh, I get one too?
Thanks
Yay!
one more chin chin. And thanks for being with us. It's Pasta Fazool. I hope you guys learned something. And guys, do this. This is really good. Use those baby backs. They're fantastic. Okay? It's Pasta Fazool. Ciao. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.
Fazool.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.
Ciao.
Salute.
Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.